10 mind-blowing ways students can use AI to ace school. Let's start. 1. Make study plans. AI tools can create personalized schedules for your homework and study time. They remind you when assignments are due and help you stay organized. 2. Get homework help, but double-check the answers. If you are stuck on a math problem or don't understand something, AI apps can explain it step by step. However, sometimes AI can make mistakes or give wrong answers. This is called hallucination. So, always double-check the answers with your teacher, a textbook, or another trusted source to be sure it's correct. 3. Learn new languages. AI-powered apps can help you practice speaking and writing in other languages, like French, Spanish, Hindi, Marathi, etc. by having conversations with you. 4. Improve writing. Tools like Grammarly check your spelling and grammar in essays. They also give suggestions to make your writing better and easier to read. 5. Create fun projects. You can use AI to design art, write stories, or even compose music. These tools help you be creative and try new ideas. 6. Ask questions anytime, but verify the information. Chatbots like ChatGPT let you ask questions about anything, science, history, or even how to solve puzzles, and they give answers instantly. But remember, just like with homework help, AI can sometimes make mistakes or give wrong information. Always double-check important facts with reliable sources like your textbooks, teachers, or trusted websites. 7. Understand hard topics. Some AI tools explain tough subjects in a simple way, using pictures or examples so you can understand them better. 8. Play learning games. AI-powered games make studying fun by turning lessons into challenges or quizzes that adapt to how much you already know. 9. Work on coding skills. AI tools can teach you how to code and even fix mistakes in your programs if you are learning computer science. 10. Get feedback on work. AI tools can grade practice tests or assignments quickly and tell you what you did well and where you need to improve. Here are some tools you might want to explore: GradeScope, Graded Pro, Timely Grader, CoGrader, and Essay Grader. If you would like me to explore these tools further, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this and want more content, please like and subscribe.